What do you think? Can the vacuum work? Turn it back on. Good girl. Off. Can you turn it back on now, please? Come on, turn it on. Use your nose. Turn it back on. Maddie, put it back on. Good girl. Good girl. All right. I'll put it back on. Good girl. Leave. Okay, let it run. Oh, now you're changing the programming on it. Oh, okay. Who knows what's going to happen here? Okay. Here we go. Okay. Oh, I see. You're after the little brush. You want a little pedicure? That can be arranged. We'll just call that like the Dremel. Yeah, Ellie, it looks like I'm gonna have to get her out of the room so that Roomba can do his job. What do you think? Let's go. Come on. Good girl. Good vacuum police. All right, you got the last word in. Let's go. Good girl.